and it's not particularly heavy, so you don't get a whole lot of pain when you're working and everything. But one thing I've noticed, especially when I was first starting, everybody always just gets like welts and stuff on this side of their arm. So I guess one thing I learned to do is just to kind of put a little crook in your elbow a little bit and rotate your shoulder a little bit, and then so that way the string kind of bypasses you a little bit.
How much would like a bow and arrow cost? Like your basic little intramural novice.
Varies so widely. Mine cost $10. This one cost 120, but that's because it was new. Unfortunately, yeah, they vary so widely. Like some of the hunting ones and stuff are like $1,200.
Yeah, remember that?
No sense to me.
That one that was
Yeah,
like
he was at a
$400.
garage sale this
$400.
But it was like a hunting
It was a
one.
crossbow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
Like,
small
I'm
too.
not planning on killing anything.